Want to transform your body in just 30 days? It's not impossible, and I'm here to show you exactly how. Whether you're looking to shed fat, tone up, or boost your energy, this full-body transformation guide will help you achieve results in just 1 month. Stay with me, and by the end of these 30 days, you'll see a whole new you. Hey everyone! So today we're diving into a topic that's on so many of our minds: losing weight and transforming our bodies in just 30 days. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another fad diet, let's hit pause for a second. This isn't about quick fixes or magic pills. This is about real, sustainable change that you can actually stick with. So, if you're ready to embrace a healthier lifestyle, let's break it down together. First things first, let's talk about mindset. This is crucial. You can have the best plan in the world, but if your head isn't in the game, you're going to struggle. So, take a moment to visualize what you want to achieve. Picture yourself 1 month from now. How do you feel? What are you wearing? What activities are you doing? Hold on to that vision because it's going to motivate you on those days when you just don't feel like it. Remember, this isn't just about losing weight. It's about feeling good in your skin and boosting your confidence. Next up, let's discuss nutrition. This is where many people trip up. It's not about depriving yourself or eating cardboard. It's about making smarter choices. Start by incorporating whole foods into your diet: fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And listen, I'm not saying you can't enjoy your favorite treats. Moderation is key. If you want that slice of pizza or a piece of chocolate, go for it. Just balance it out with healthier meals throughout the day. Keep your body fueled with nutrients, and you'll notice how much better you feel overall. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of exercise. You don't have to spend hours in the gym to see results. Find activities you genuinely enjoy. It could be dancing, hiking, yoga, or even just walking your dog. The goal here is to get moving and elevate your heart rate. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. And if you can't do that all at once, break it up. You can do 10 minutes here, 15 minutes there. It all adds up. The key is consistency. Also, don't underestimate the power of strength training. It's not just for bodybuilders. Lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises can help build muscle, which in turn boosts your metabolism. So even when you're resting, your body is burning more calories. Try to incorporate strength training into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. You'll be surprised at how quickly you start to see changes. Hydration is another piece of the puzzle. Water is your best friend. It helps with digestion, keeps your skin looking fresh, and can even curb your appetite. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And if plain water isn't your thing, spice it up with some lemon, cucumber, or herbs. Just keep it healthy. Now let's not forget about rest. Sleep is essential for weight loss and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. When you're well rested, you're more likely to make healthier choices during the day and have the energy to work out. It's all interconnected. Finally, let's talk about accountability. Share your goals with friends or family, or even join a community online. Having support can make all the difference. Celebrate your small victories along the way, whether it's fitting into a favorite pair of jeans or completing a workout you struggled with before. So there you have it. A full-body transformation guide in just 30 days, grounded in real, achievable steps. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Embrace the journey, be kind to yourself, and let's get started on this together. You've got this. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us continue to bring you valuable information. So hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together.